flog leg. I beg they wear trouser. Really? They wear trouser for who? For you? Like for real? They wear trouser. Like she's married to Star Trek. Maybe she go wear trouser for who? If you don't like this leg, you don't want to see you go help me do it. Please try to hold transformer for her sake. That would be the best thing for you. If you don't like what you say, one, this leg, and this leg is totally my emotion.
Okay, now.
If you don't, please show me this leg. Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see the leg. You want to see something? Let me show you something. Let me see this leg.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, I like it.
Okay. Okay.
For her sake. And if you give me the younger sister, we say yes. You young person, I say I don't see take her because now she did there. She's my wife. I'm more than 4 kids to serve. You guys play well.
Not be small. Not be small, my people. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back again to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. We don't come back again with another ogboge. Ogboge tori, not be small. This story na about Jama First Lady and her husband. And commenters, hey, this story go sweet small, but not be too much. So where we foresee this video now? This video now from TikTok, but now Aproko Godfather bring her come. Aproko Godfather stroke Okaigbe na carry am come for Facebook. So wetin person dey tell Jama First Lady? He tell Jama First Lady say, una no mind me jo. He say, see your leg like frog leg. Abeg dey wear trouser. Na your husband call the paro. No be small. Call the paro. So my people, before we go our comment section, which una know say is our work. Comment section is our work. Before we go the comment section today, I beg my people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe by hitting that red that says subscribe, and also on your notification bell, in case whenever I post a video you go receive my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. God bless you. So my people, more go the comment section. Now there we dey. Now there the real reggae dey now. Now there. If you so our first comment for today say, I fear who no fear commenters. So who no fear commenters? He never enter social media. So my people, as we dey edit, go dey put the comments. Say not be we talk and na wetin commenters talk. Now we dey read comment. So the next comment can say, not be only frog leg, na dog leg. Emoji of laugh. The next commenter can say, she answered in Atina Joseph voice. Copy. Na so one call herself mother hair that day. Look. So the next comment can say, this baby boy is not okay. Really? Really, the baby boy not okay. Now matter for the year and say the baby boy not okay. So our next commenter can say, this Ken that insult his mother rejected her because of Jama First Lady Kpekus. Full stop. The person when they do that juju for Jama First Lady trial. Na truth say Jama First Lady, what you know they call her? Jama First Lady really they use ogume for her husband. I not believe him because why ma Guma they use ogume for her husband. Me, I not believe that one. Because when you use am, that means you continue to dey use am unless it go expire one day. When it expire, the man go from upstairs to where you go downstairs gang. But wetin I wan still this comment when this person drop, it makes sense. Wetin I wan talk about that issue, make this man make this man make peace with him mother. No matter how that kpekus will sweet you reach, mama na mama. Mama no be two o. One na one mama dem dey see. You fit choose people for outside say this one na your mama. E can never be like your mother. E can never be like your mama. So wetin I get to talk for here, my brother, go make peace with your mother. As a good wife, if your woman na good wife, she go settle two of una, which na wetin everybody dey talk since. Your woman, if na good wife, she go settle you and your mother. How you go dey enjoy your husband with him mama get issue for how many years now? E don reach 2 years. You dey enjoy am, you dey in peace, you get peace for the house. You no dey disturb your husband. We know say you fit dey disturb am for inside house, so we no go know, but at least try let dem get peace. No matter what, no matter wetin that woman tell you, try make peace between two of them. Let your husband go back and I don't know, because you get male children. One day I see your children, most of them na as I was saying, you get male children, you get boys children. Imagine one of your boy tomorrow come marry, say your boy wife, that is your son wife, go come dey do enemy with you. How will you feel? Say because of your son wife, your son no come get, you and your son no come dey in good time again. You dey happy? For me, I go feel very bad say somebody from outside come enter our house, come scatter my family. Yeah, you feel very bad. So my sister, do the right thing by making peace. Let peace reign for your family, because you be mother. You get how many boys now? God bless you with boys. Anybody when they do bad thing, God they always bless am with wetin the wicked people with. Because tomorrow karma, they say tomorrow karma go start to dey say na witch or wizard for village na cause am. We no know say na wetin we use our hand draw. If you marry person, you no fit just because you marry somebody, you just take that person away from he or her family. Before you come, that family, e dey with that family, they were so happy. But why e come be say after two of una come marry, a scatter come enter? My sister, try do the right thing by making peace between your husband and the mother. Na wetin I get to talk. This commenters, God bless you when you take drop this comment for here. So our next commenter come say, but with time that juju go clear for Ken eyes, for Kenny to dey insult him mama no be clear eye. My sister, if it be say na clear eyes, oh, we never can tell. Say the kpekus, maybe the kpekus dey sweet well. Maybe he wife kpekus dey sweet well. You know say some boys now, some boys mumu oh. Some guys they no get this number 6. So if they see this kpekus, maybe his wife dey give am tie woto according to maybe his wife dey give am well. So fit be say na because his wife dey give am well. Fit be say na wetin you still talk say maybe na ogume use. You never can tell. Anything can happen. You know say our women, they very, they can do anything. They can do anything. They are very wicked. So let's take our next comment, my people. The next comment can say, our next commenter say, may God never commenter, the fear of commenters. He said, may God never allow me use my kpekus never allow me use my kpekus born done like Kevin. So the day they born Kevin, this goat, people truly celebrate celebrate shame. Come put his. I'll dey put the comment, my people. May not be saying I mean they lie. Our next commenter can say, forget truth. This lady leg thin too much. Shameless leg. This commenter, you just dey paro for them, but wetin go still know say na God na create her. Na wetin we go fit still know be that the leg thing o, e fat o. No say God create so many soul, create different leg. So if e fat, if e thin, na God create am. So we no need to too judge her. Wetin I just dey, I know say people dey vex for her because of the way she take put quarrel for that family. She fit dey reason am say no be she. When the guy dey with him mama, issue never arrive like that. They never dey do enemy. How can mother and child dey do enemy for how many years now? No settlement. I know say na im make many people dey insult her. Before, everybody dey see her leg like that. Nobody don ever come out say, okay, may I insult her. Na because of wetin dey go on, make she try make peace with her family. Na make people dey vex. You know say when you dey vex for somebody, you dey look every mistake for that person body. But when you dey get peace, like when you dey happy with somebody, when you are in love with somebody, anything when you see for that person body go dey perfect. You know, my people, if I dey lie, una tell me say I dey lie you. If you are in love with somebody, anything when you see for that person body go dey perfect, even though e not perfect for other people eyes. But you, when dey in love with that person, everything go dey perfect. But if you hate somebody, you dey look am like shit. Anything when you see for that person body, you dey abeg you see as the leg thing. Na wetin I dey see for this comment. So na im make me talk this word. Na wetin I dey see, because before na so her leg be. Nobody don ever come and say your wife leg thin, your wife leg fat. Nobody. Na just the way when things come take dey go, issue dey ground, settlement no fit come. You dey fit talk to your husband. Everybody dey see am for media say you dey fit talk to your husband. Why not bring your husband and the mother together? Why not make peace? Why not tell them to make peace? Make everywhere dey okay. So let's take the next comment. You say the truth be said. Yes, the truth be said. The leg thing, na God create am. Let's leave leg. More, I know say people dey vex. More leave the leg. So let's take the next comment. Say maybe Africa last lady something go dey sweet well. Me I read them again. My people say maybe Africa's last lady something go dey sweet well. That is why these days insult in mama. So okay, I know she made mistake. No be wetin she more right be that, but we know wetin she more right. Now make her husband dey insult him mama. I fit talk am. I fit talk am say maybe na if it be say no be ogunme, if it be say na him wife kpekus, e sweet well. You know, some boys can move for kpekus. No be all. Some guys when they see that thing, my brother, my sister, forget tori o. They go dey mumu. They go even deny their children self. Some boys say their mumu die. They will tell you say they smart. They're not smart anything o. Their mumu, when they see that thing, when they see that your kpekus, my brother, my sister, you go see person papa, you go deny pikin. Person wey get wife, he go say he no get wife because he won't do that kpekus. I bet okay, if it be say no be ogume, if it be say no be juju, if it be say na that kpekus na the woman they give her well. If you say the woman they give her well, more than not mind me. So let's take the next comment. Okay, before we take the next comment, so somebody can't reply this person when drop this comment. He said, I dey tell you, I dey tell you, emoji of life, laugh. That means the kpekus is sweet well. So the next commenter can say, no comment cause she dey mind her business. Bicycle take me to Judah the Saro, the Scaro site. Oh, our last comment for today can say, no be only leg, una no see her nyash when join waist. Hey! Commenters, I don't like una too much, una too gallant, and una too much. Una too gallant and una too much. Wetin fear dey catch us to talk, una will drop and comot for there. Too like una jaw. Let's analyze this one wey this woman talk say no be only leg, una no see her nyash when join her waist. My beautiful sister, you fit be sister, you fit be man, na God create her. Wetin she no do right, na she no do right. I know say people dey vex for her, na make everybody dey insult her with wetin no dey right for her body. But we see say we dey reason am say the thing no dey right. We dey reason am say the thing no dey right for her body, but her husband dey see her as a gold. Na wetin matter say your husband when you marry, even though your nyash be like fry pan, your husband he go dey respect the bonbon, because he love you. Even though the leg be like a stick, the husband love her like that. And wetin I just get to say. But wetin make people dey vex for this woman, which I still dey talk am, say na because of issue when dey between the husband and the mother, when they no gree settle. As a wife, as a good wife, when get children, when get boys as children, you no suppose behave like that. As a good wife, you suppose make peace between your husband and the mother. Na wetin you suppose do. No be say you go dey enjoy the issue. The issue dey on social media. No be wetin just dey inside house. Say okay, they just get this issue for inside house. E dey on social media. My sister, try make you let peace reign for the family, because when you come that family, you meet them say they get peace. No issue, no insult, no mama do this, mama do that, pikin do this. So as you see dey the house, still let the same peace reign. Wetin the mama no dey do well, let the mama know say these things you no dey do am well. Mommy, call her mommy, na him born your husband. If you call her mommy, no be bad thing. So let peace reign, my dear sister. Talk to your husband. You calm your husband down. He's your husband. He go obey, he go listen to you. Na make people dey insult you for comment section. Nothing else. Because peace no dey that house, na make most people dey vex. People when they support you say you do am well, they lie. You not do am well, they not like you. If they go your back, they will dey judge you. If they go your back, they will judge you. So no let, which I know say you not be that type when they keep friends. We dey see everything for social media. People when they keep friends, we know them. People when not still they keep friends, we still know them. Okay, my wonderful people, thank you everyone for your lovely support, your amazing support. Please, my amazing people, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. Please help me to share this video. Share this video. If una like wetin una dey see, abeg my amazing people, no forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell in case whenever I post a video, una go receive our video guy. Now we dey run now. God bless you, my amazing gallant people. My gallant people, you guys are trying, but mona try, mona help me to subscribe. Subscription is free, not be money. If you just touch that red button as you watch finish, touch that red button to support this girl now. To support somebody's mom, to support somebody's sugar mommy. Abeg una no fail to help me subscribe. God bless you. I love you. From Commenters Analyzer TV.